Cafe Noma and welcome to our reaction to the Cascades, and we are going to react to the song Rhythm of the Rain. Let's listen to it.
Listen to the rhythm of the falling rain, telling me just what a fool I've been. I wish that it would go and let me cry in vain, and let me be alone again. The only girl I care about has gone away, looking for a brand new start. But little does she know that when she left that day, along with her she took my heart. Rain, please tell me now, does that seem fair? For her to steal my heart away when she don't care. I can't love another when my heart's somewhere far away. The only girl I care about has gone away, looking for a brand new start. But little does she know that when she left that day, along with her she took my heart. Rain, won't you tell her that I love her so? Please ask the sun to set her heart aglow. Rain in her heart and let the love we knew start to grow. Listen to the rhythm of the falling rain, telling me just what a fool I've been. I wish that it would go and let me cry in vain, and let me be alone again. Oh, listen to the falling rain, pitter patter, pitter patter. Oh, listen, listen to the falling rain, pitter patter, pitter patter. Oh, listen.
This is sweet, this is nice, this is gentle, and it started with the rain, ended with the rain. That was nice. Natural sounds of the rain were added. Here the rain is giving him company, though he's missing the girl he loves the most a lot. His heart isn't there with him. How he wishes that she was there with him. She was there to accompany him when this rain is happening. He just wishes the rain to disappear or rain to tell her to come back to his life once again. The highlight of this song, though, for me was that xylophone. I hope that was xylophone because it sounded like one. Or it could be created on a synthesizer or some machine, but it sounded great.
Yeah, it's that the choice of instruments in this song was sublime. It just personified what was happening in the lyrics beautifully. Beautiful sound of the bells. Seems like the xylophone. Sounds like the xylophone. Whoa, beautiful, beautiful. I love the way he sings it too. He's gentle, smooth with his voice. The entire arrangement is gentle and so beautiful to listen to. And what a beautiful song to listen to while it's raining in Mumbai. It's a rainy evening in Mumbai, and it's beautiful weather outside and amazing company inside with great music to listen to, along with Kirti and the kids in the other room enjoying themselves. Holidays, holidays, holidays. Seems like this entire year is a year full of holidays. And yeah, you do feel for this guy. You do feel for him. He's definitely missing her, and it shows. You can tell. Beautiful, beautiful. Just beautiful.